This is my friend Dennis. Na amenidare.
Yes.
So what is the dare?
I'm daring you this way. By date first leo ni
30th. Yes. December.
Naona kuna 180 subscribers
Yes, 180, yeah.
180 subscribe?
Yeah, on YouTube. 180 subscribers on YouTube.
Hit 200. Hit 200 by date first.
200 subscribers
200
by first.
By date first.
So I have today and tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly. I want to if you hit that target, you'll send 200 shillings to any random person, 200 shillings.
How many people?
20 people.
20 random people, 200 each.
Nakupatia watu wachache, 20 people peke yake. Ukihit
that is easy. 20 subscribers only, ni hit 200.
Yes.
Nipatie 20 people 200 random people.
Yes.
That is easy. By fast.
By date first.
What am I getting in returns?
Wewe utajipanga tu.
Napata subscribers.
I
dare you. That is very easy.
Sawa.
So my TikTok people and Facebook, hii ndio account yangu
Msiangushe huyu jamaa.
Hii ndio channel yangu ya YouTube. Maina Herman. Enda subscribe. Let us prove to this guy it is possible and we can.